Hi, I'm Russell from Drillbrush. When ordering a product, it's good to know exactly what you're getting. In this video, we'll unbox our medium yellow Drillbrush 420 kit and see what's inside. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the box itself. In addition to some slick graphics, our box features useful information on the sides, such as a copy of the color chart, information on the brushes, and installation instructions. Upon opening the box, the first thing you'll find is our informational insert card. On the front is a thank you letter from the Drillbrush team, as well as a picture of our staff. I'm the guy in the fancy scarf. Inside is a bevy of useful information. There's color charts for both our brushes and our line of scrubbing pads, installation instructions, a step-by-step cleaning guide, tips and tricks, our social media links, and a featurette of some of our most popular products. Now that our printed materials are accounted for, let's check out the stars of the show, the brushes. These 3 brushes are packed snugly to prevent bristle deformation. The brush on top is a yellow original. It's our designated corner and contour brush, perfect for getting into the nooks and crannies of bathroom fixtures like the tub, the sink, and even around the base of the toilet. Next up is the 4-inch flat brush. This one's great for cleaning flat surfaces like counters, shower walls, and tile floors. You can also tilt the brush to a 45-degree angle to get into grout lines. Lastly, we have the 2-inch detail brush. This little guy is built for spot cleaning and detailing. Use it to clean up small stains around your bathroom, as well as faucets, overflow caps, and shower heads. And that's what you can expect to find in our Drillbrush Yellow 420 kit. You can find a link to the kit in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy scrubbing!